What is a living trust? Hi, I'm attorney Paul Bernstein of the Bernstein Law Group. We frequently get asked this question, what is a living trust? It's a legal document, very similar to a will in a lot of ways. It does a lot more than a will can do, though. How it's similar is it's a document where you state who you want to control assets if you're unable to do so, and who you want to inherit those assets that are in the trust. There's a critical step after signing the trust that you wouldn't have to do with a will, and it's often missed, unfortunately, but to make the trust fully work, the critical step is what we call funding the trust. That's retitling ownership of your home and any other real estate, your investment accounts, non-retirement accounts, bank accounts, and what have you, into the name of the trust. Now, you're the trustee, so you'll still be in control of the assets, and you're the beneficiary, so you're really in control of the assets and using them just like you did before. The trust really is merely on standby, waiting for an event to happen. But during your lifetime, you are in 100% control. And because the trust is revocable, you may make changes to it over time as your goals and the people in your life and what you own and the laws change. The trust can adapt to meet these changes head on. But once again, you're in control. But however, why it works so much better than a will is should you become incapacitated. Without a properly drafted and fully funded trust, there's a good chance your family will have to go to probate court for what's known as a conservatorship to deal with your assets. Well, with a trust, you've stated who can immediately step in to take control of those assets without court involvement and who they can use it for. So it avoids the need of this court-controlled probate process, and you keep it family-controlled, which typically results in things happening quicker, less expensive, and it keeps things private. The exact opposite of what often happens with the probate court matter. Probate court often results in making your private matters public, cost. It's typically fairly expensive, and time. We don't know how long it's going to take, but it could take quite a long time just for someone to get control of your assets. And that's if you're incapacitated. Another great benefit of a living trust is upon your passing, as long as the trust is drafted properly and fully funded, once again, we're avoiding probate court where unlike the will, which is really a court-driven document, the trust is designed to avoid that probate court process. So once again, keeps things private, family controlled, moves things quicker typically, and the right people are in the right position to handle things. Costs are less, timing is quicker. But while you're alive and well, everything is just as it was before. The trust is merely on standby, waiting for an event to happen. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any other questions or just not sure what to do next, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.